Welcome to Food Formulas. Let's make crispy box patty. Take a pot and 2 tablespoons oil. 1/4 teaspoon zira. Saute for 1 minute. Add to chopped garlic cloves. Fry for a minute. Add 1 small-sized chopped onion. Fry until it becomes transparent. Now I am adding 1 medium-sized carrots. Fry for 2 minutes. Now add 1 tablespoon vinegar. 1 tablespoon chili sauce. 1 tablespoon soy sauce. Combine them well. Now add 1 capsicum julienne cut. Fry until veggies become soft. Now add boiled shredded chicken 100 grams. Mix them well. Now add 1 teaspoon salt. Mix it. Add 1 teaspoon black pepper powder. Mix it. Take a bowl and add ½ cup chicken stock. Now add 1 tablespoon cornstarch. Mix it well. Now add chicken stock mixture. Give it a good mix and cook it until it becomes a bit thick and sticky. Once it becomes thick, turn off the flame. Transfer it into a bowl. Let's make a slurry to bind patties. Take a bowl, add 2 tablespoons flour. Add water to make a liquid dough. Mix it. Now take 1 samosa patty. Apply liquid dough in the center. Now put another patty in the cross. Put mixture in the center. Fold it as shown in the video. Make the rest of these with the same process. You can freeze this for Ramadan. Let's fry and try these crispy patties. Pour oil in the frying pan. When oil is heated, add patties. Fry on medium heat. Keep on changing the sides, so it will cook from both sides. The golden color indicates they are ready. They look so yummy. They are ready to eat. Enjoy!